Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the Nuofany brand, their EC5 to O-ring terminal extension cable, female plug connector cable for RC cars, escape jump starter, emergency power cord, automotive emergency battery, and more. This is 1.6 feet. It's really thick, 10 gauge, really high quality. If you look at this right here, and it has the large terminals on there so you can put it across your 12-volt battery in your car. And then what it does is it takes the 12 volts and it brings it to the EC5 connector right there. And look at the gauge right here. This is really thick yet flexible cable so that you could use a really high current jump starter. So what's the advantage of this? Well, a lot of times you have, just an example, a jump starter, and you have to plug it in like this and put your cables on there. So if you want to eliminate that, you could go directly with the EC5 connector on your battery pack, and then you could plug this right in right here, and it only goes in one way right here, just like that. And now the 12 volts appears right across the battery. Now if you do that, you're eliminating the safety circuitry that's on here, so you might want to consider keeping the safety circuitry in this loop so that you don't have that issue. I'm going to be using this for a backup battery system for my sump pump. So these are really versatile because they've used in a lot of different applications, and I'm totally impressed with the quality of this product. I didn't expect the cable to be as flexible and thick, and the terminals on here are excellent. They're copper plated with zinc, so this is really good quality. I'm impressed with it, so I'm going to give it a full 5-star rating. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.